Hello everybody and welcome to our how-to guide on wreath wrapping the back of a holly wreath. This one's actually a spruce wreath but it has the benefit of covering up your mechanics, stopping any of the exposed wires from scratching against a really lovely oak door or what have you. When the wind catches the wreath, sometimes they do have a tendency to scratch. So this alleviates that. And it also has the benefit of retaining some of the moisture of the wet moss. You will have to rehydrate the moss all through the season that the wreath is actually hung, but hopefully this will help to reduce the amount of times you need to do that. So my ingredients for this are a roll of wreath wrap, and these are some 3mm mossing pegs. Sorry, 30mm mossing pegs, so 3cm mossing pegs. Both of these items can be found on our website. It's www.trianglenursery.co.uk. Right, so I hope you enjoy the following demonstration. Thank you so much for watching our how-to guide on covering the back of a mossed wreath with wreath wrap. As you can see, no wires exposed, nice and smooth finish, no sharp edges to scratch against that door, and we've covered up our mechanics. It does help to retain the moisture as well. So top tips for this. I would suggest if you're going to cover the back of the wreath with wreath wrap, do that when all of your wiring is finished. Then you've got no wires exposed to worry about. However, there is a school of thought that suggests that you wrap the wreath completely, binding the wreath wrap all the way around before you add foliage or your accessories to it. That's fine for the retention of moisture that the moss currently holds, but you will actually get wires pushed through the wreath wrap, and you will also be unable to rehydrate it. So depends really what you're using your wreath for. Binding completely and then placing on a grave would be absolutely fine, but perhaps for a door you need to just wreath wrap the back, really, I would suggest. Right, so there are alternatives also to the mossing pegs. You can see the ones that I was using, they're really sturdy and they are purpose made for this kind of arranging and this kind of design. You could, if you wanted to, make hairpins out of a heavy gauge wire and use those, but you will find they're not as strong and not as supportive. Right. Hope this has helped. I hope this gives you some inspiration to go and create Christmas wreaths of your own. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more inspirational ideas on designs that you can create for this festive period. And we look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.